Greetings, curious minds. I am Professor Reynard F. Tailworthy.
Welcome to my laboratory of wonder, where science comes alive through stories. Join me as we explore the wonders of knowledge, from the tiny to the vast. Every week, a new mystery, a new adventure, and a new story. Shall we begin? Inside each of your cells, there's an entire galaxy of code. This is DNA, the famous double helix of life. It looks like a twisted ladder with 4 different colored steps. Those steps are just 4 letters: A, T, C, G. These 4 letters are the alphabet of your being. If you uncoiled your DNA, it would stretch to the moon and back. Important sections of this long code are called genes. Within this tome lies the very recipe of our existence, waiting to be understood. You inherited your DNA recipe book from your parents. That's why families often share similar traits. But you are a unique remix of their instructions. Sometimes, a single letter gets copied wrong. This tiny typo is called a mutation. Mutations can be helpful, harmful, or do nothing at all. DNA lives in the cell's command center, the nucleus. When a cell divides, it makes a perfect copy of its DNA. When a cell divides, it makes a perfect copy of its DNA. DNA helps in making proteins. Proteins are the tiny machines and workers of your body. Without DNA's instructions, our cells would be lost. All humans share 99.9% identical DNA. But that 0.1% difference makes all the magic. Your DNA is your unique molecular fingerprint. Scientists can now read this sequence of letters. Reading it can reveal risks for certain diseases. It can even trace your ancestors' migration paths. DNA is life's oldest family photo album. It's not just humans. All living things have DNA. You share about 50% of your DNA with a banana. This shows all life on Earth speaks the same genetic language.
DNA can get damaged, like by the sun's UV rays.
Your cells have smart repair crews that fix it daily. When repair fails, it can sometimes lead to cancer. We have now learned to edit DNA with tools like CRISPR.
This power allows us to write the next chapter of life's story.
And that's our story for today, my curious friends.
But don't worry, our next adventure is already waiting just beyond the stars.
If you enjoyed this journey, please subscribe so you won't miss what comes next.
Until we meet again, keep wondering, keep exploring, and stay curious. This is Professor Tailworthy, signing off.